This is my solution to lesson 31 of Paul McWhorter's tutorials on the Raspberry Pi. It involves the keyboard provided by the Sunfounder Raspberry Pi kit. The keypad only returns a high when the program selects the row and column of the key pressed. All other selections return a low. The object of the homework is to display the label that is printed on the keypad surface. A restriction was added not to repeat the information if the key was held down. I have a link to the code below, in addition to a link to Paul's Lesson 31 video. I use the VNC viewer to display the Raspberry Pi desktop. VNC is built into the Raspberry Pi OS. I installed the free VNC viewer on the PC. It is easier for me to do the work on a PC than it is to work directly on the Raspberry Pi. So let's see what happens when we start pressing the buttons. Okay, if I press the A, okay, I display an A, a 7, a 0, a hashtag, an asterisk, a D, a 1. But if I hold down a keypad, it doesn't repeat. I can release it and then display another digit. So that pretty well sums up the solution to Paul's Lesson 31 homework.